Chapter 10. Harmony at Workplace. Chicago, 1893. Swami Vivekananda goes to America to give speech on the Vedic religion that teaches the world both tolerance and universal truth. He says that the religion he follows gives him the freedom to accept all other religions as true. He went on to declare his pride of his nation that teaches to forgive the sinner and hate the sin. The American Parliament applauds at the end of his speech.
There is so much chaos everywhere. How do you say your religion is superior to other religions? I disagree.
No, I am not saying that mine is superior and others are inferior. All I am saying is Vedic Dharma is one of its kinds. It is a religion which values all other religions and cultures of the world with due respect, and it has the strength of forgiveness. Even people in India are suffering from agony and widespread war all over. How do you tackle with all that with your peace-loving religion? Conflicts, misunderstandings, and difference in opinion is omnipresent, and I believe they are necessary for growth and development. We solve these problems with love for the humankind, patience, forgiveness, and tolerance. Our faith in God gives us the strength. The religion we practice gives us strength to fight negative emotions and myth and find the path of truth.
Do you mean no other religion offers forgiveness?
Vedic Dharma gives us the freedom to follow our faith. Once the arguments end, Deep and Narad go to meet Swamiji.
But Swamiji, many conflicts translate into war between people. We are facing such war between Hindus and Muslims within our own nation who want different paths to rule over. How can you say it can be solved by religion?
Conflicts let us see different viewpoints of the same problem. All conflicts can be resolved. A midway solution can be found if desired. It is not necessary to decide between winners and losers.
Conflicts become difficult when parties involved refuse to resolve it through mutual consent.
We are a nation which believes in loving the sinner, but hating the sin at the same time. Where thousands of people are there, disagreement in opinion might happen, but could be solved through negotiations, compromise.
Thus, practicing a religion gives us the ability to know right and wrong.
Even workplace requires a stress-free environment. If all our leaders start fighting within themselves, what would their followers do? Who would they listen to?
Stress never helps one grow.
Harmony and a stress-free environment help in personal growth, brings out the best in you, new ideas and new ways to discover truth. Religion suits the body and mind alike. Dharma plays an important role in making our life peaceful.
But everywhere we are surrounded by clever people, mean-minded people who become the reason for stress. Religion or performing one's rites or dharma does not help there.
To save yourself from the politics going around, be sincere when you interact with others. Don't use sugar-coated language, but be kind and gentle in your speech and help others whenever required. Don't be disrespectful of others' views, and connect with different people to create a space of harmony and love among themselves to achieve personal and professional success.